Hey, happy Tuesday, everyone. Today, let's talk about another topic. Let's talk about how to properly use whose, that spells W-H-O-S-E, and whose, that spells W-H-O''S. Whose, they sound the same. Let's start with W-H-O-S-E. This is used to express ownership or possession. Let's use it in a sentence. The woman whose hair is blonde and long is my sister. The woman whose hair is blonde and long is my sister. Meaning that woman's hair is long and blonde. Another example, I usually encounter this in mathematics. A triangle whose angles are 90 degree, 45 degree, and 45 degree. Again, a triangle whose angles are 90 degree, 45 degree, and another 45 degree. That's whose, that spells W-H-O-S-E. This time, let's use whose, that spells W-H-O''S. It is a contraction of the words who is, whose. Let's use it. Jose Rizal, whose national hero, wrote Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo. Jose Rizal, whose our national hero, wrote El Filibusterismo and Noli Me Tangere. Another example. That beautiful woman, who's my sister, is very kind to me. The girl, who's my sister, is very kind to me. When asking a question, let's use W-H-O-S-E. Let's say you found a ball pen. Then you would ask, whose ball pen is this? Meaning you're asking for the owner, the one who owns that ball pen that you found. Let's use whose, W-H-O''S in asking question. Who's your mother? Who's your mother? Or who is your mother? So I hope it's clear to you how to use whose and whose. Thank you.